Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hamza and today we're going to draw a snowman. Yay! A little bigger, not that big, because we still need space for buttons and we're drawing 3 buttons. Then last one.
Da 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 da. Whoa, the biggest one.
Yeah, mine's kind of slowly, it looks like it's melting.
Now we're going to draw the arms.
So we're just going to draw those sticks. Like that.
And another arm.
Now next,
we're going to be doing the carrot, aka stands for also known as, and then the nose.
Next, we're going to do the buttons.
Wait, I think you forgot something. On the nose, you should put these little lines because carrots have little lines. Right.
Next, we're going to do the buttons, which are going to be blue.
Yep, you can customize this however you want, but
you can make the buttons as big as you want, like yours.
It depends on how big your snowman is, okay?
Maybe I'll just make that go smaller.
While Hamza is drawing, my channel is now starting to do request for videos. So go to about and press my Instagram. So you just have to scroll down a little bit, and then you can chat with me. And I could see if I can make a video about whatever topic you want. But remember, it should be educational or else I can't do it.
And also remember, now his channel's name is changed. It's not Learn with Hamid anymore. Now it's Hamidoscope. 0 spaces.
Yep.
Not even 1. There used to be dashes, now there isn't.
Yeah, my channel's name has changed, so please don't unsubscribe from it. If you just think it's a hack.
It's not, because it's true.
Alright.
Because we're saying it in our video.
So I have a question. What should the eyes be?
Let's make it green.
Okay.
Let's make it green.
Alright.
1 eye and another eye. Now, as you might know, now we're going to make a smiley face. So we're going to take a black.
Alright, here you go.
Now I'm just going to add little thick ones or small ones. It's your choice.
If you want, you can add a chocolate bar.
But if you're sad right now, maybe you should add a sad face.
It depends, actually.
I'm going to make mine happy face. Okay.
So here's our completed snowman.
No, not completed yet.
Ooh.
We could, with this green,
maybe make a scarf.
Not a scarf.
Ooh, then what?
See, that's overlapping up there. We can make a circle, make that overlap, then also that one overlapping.
Oh, I thought you were going to make a scarf, but it's okay. You can add your own scarves if you know how to. Or if you want, you can search up. You can find another video.
A little messy. Kind of red.
If you say so.
You need to add some touches to the nose.
Yeah.
Watching everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to Hamid's channel. It's called Hamidoscope. All uppercase for Hamid, then all lowercase, no spaces. And thank you for watching.